Good evening, student. I am teaching you coal and petroleum. This is my second class. Now let's recap the previous class lecture. What I taught you. I taught you what is the natural resources. In that coal and petroleum, we took it. What is the coal and petroleum? What are the types of natural resources? Exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible natural resources are those which get exhausted, and inexhaustible which do not get exhausted, which is not getting finished. Now, solar energy, water, soil, wind, these are coming in terms of inexhaustible. They are not getting exhausted. They have very long life. But exhaustible source of energy are those source of energy which is getting exhausted, or the energy, the source getting consumed as such. Coal will be finished in very near future. Petroleum will be finished in near future. Forest will be deforested in near future. Wood, that is forest, coal, petroleum, these are coming the categories of exhaustible source of energy. Now, exhaustible, again we are going, exhaustible natural resources are of two types. Now, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Now, exhaustible also. Inexhaustible I am not classifying any types, but those are exhaustible again of two types. Renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Renewable and non-renewable natural resources. Now children, those are getting exhausted. Renewable, whose life span is more, the renewable source, which life span is, it takes very less time to renew, that is renewable. Non-renewable, which takes too long time to renew, that comes under the categories of non-renewable source of energy. Matlab renewal time. If renewal time is less, you can say renewable. If renewal time, दोबारा से उस फ्यूल बनने का समय, if it is very long, you can say it is a non-renewable source of energy. We are going to what is the fuel? Our topic है fuel. The material which upon combustion or burning gives heat are known as fuel. What are the fuels? The material which upon burning gives heat. Petrol will give you heat. Diesel will give you heat. Coal upon combustion will give you heat. So now, try to understand, wood is also a fuel. Paper itself is a fuel. When you burn it, it will give you heat. Anything you burn it, जो कुछ भी जलाओगे अगर वो हीट देगा तो फ्यूल है। अब बताएंगे फॉसिल फ्यूल्स क्या होता है। फॉसिल्स, इट इज रिमेन्स आफ्टर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स। फॉसिल फ्यूल, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। वी विल एक्सप्लेन यू बाय यूजिंग द एनिमेशन ऑल्सो। व्हाट इज फॉसिल फ्यूल? It is a dead remains of the plants, animals, which is buried under the earth crust. After millions of years, it is getting converted into the coal and petroleum. Due to rise in higher temperature and excessive pressure, the reaction happens. It is a chemical process for the formation of fossil fuels. The children try to understand the fact. After millions of years, it becomes too long life. Imagine today the area is complete full of forest. After 100 years, there was a storm and cyclones. Entire forest has gone under the earth. Again, new plant came. Again, after 100 years, gone under the earth. Soil, sand has covered the area. Again new plant came and you covered it. After millions of years, then the forest remains and deads were highly compressed because above the dead remains may have kilometers of sand on the top. They get due to high pressure compressed and getting converted into the fossil fuels, petroleums and coals. In absence of oxygen, अगर ऑक्सीजन रहता है तो ऐसा नहीं होगा. So what is a fossil fuel? You have understood now. Let's come coal. What is coal? It is also a fossil fuel. It is found in deep mines in the form of coal beds. It is hard. It is hard and black in color. Now you can look up a bit how fossil fuels is formed. Just turn the camera to that. I will show you the small film on that. Formation of coal. See the children, let me proceed little faster. See the children, what happens? It is showing you the natural process that these forest plants are slowly will be covered by the sand and will go under the earth crust. All the animals and plants which you see, it will be covered and will go. Slowly you can watch it. This earlier also it was a dinosaurs. You might have heard that this animal has already extinct and nowhere it is found in the earth. They were gone during the reformation of earth. These animals all are buried under the earth. Now we are getting their fossils. By seeing their bones, we have estimated their lives, what exactly the life of the dinosaur was. Might have some ulkapind, has struck the earth. Due to that reason, might be having the huge storm. Complete earth might have undergone everything might have undergone the earthbed and might have been covered. We are seeing after millions of years, what is now? You watch due to different earth actions. It is a volcanic eruption, also happens in the millions of years. Now see, all the plants are uprooted. Ocean has changes their bed and position. All the broken pieces are settling down on the earth's surface, and slowly it is getting covered. Now ocean also dries up and shift their positions. It seems to happen like this. Now this your forest is black colored area which is pressed by the sand. This is above area and this is your forest area. It is due to high compression, high pressure. It is having crushing force of contraction and pressure and got formed into the coal. The figure shows you how it is getting contracted and condensed. You watch it. See, the coal has compressed, you got this. Now, okay. Now children, watch this. I have shown you the figures, how the coal has formed by the natural process. Everything is buried under the earth crust after millions of years due to high pressure and compression. And pressure increases, the temperature also increases, and it is getting converted into the fossil. Now, name the place in India where the coal is found. Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha and MP. What is the carbonization? Carbonization. Actually, carbonization is a process of formation of coal. Carbonization is a process of formation of coal. It is a very slow process. It is a slow process. Conversion of dead remains of the animal and plants into the coal under the influence of high temperature and pressure. Okay? So it is conversion of dead remains of the plants and animals into coal under the high pressure and temperature. This is known as carbonization. What are the elements found along with the water? What are the components of the coal? It contains carbon, mainly hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. These are also present in a small quantity. Okay? So we have covered this much portion. Please write, remember it. We will proceed in coming class in details. Okay? Thank you.